If someone near you suddenly starts choking and every second feels like a lifetime, it's easy to understand why a device like the Aluvria Emergency Airway Kit grabs attention, promising to clear airway blockages in seconds when traditional methods fail. The product is marketed as a fast-acting solution that is clinically proven safe and trusted by first responders, positioning itself as a life-saving tool for homes, schools, and travel bags. On the surface, that promise sounds reassuring, especially for parents, caregivers, and anyone worried about choking emergencies. However, a closer look at the product presentation raises some important questions worth considering before relying on it in a real emergency. The promotional materials feature bold medical claims and suggest effectiveness even when CPR fails. Yet clear clinical documentation or verifiable studies are not easily accessible. Some product images appear identical to stock images found elsewhere online, which can create uncertainty about authenticity. The site also uses aggressive marketing tactics such as deep discounts, buy one get one offers, and countdown timers designed to create urgency. Techniques often seen in impulse-driven online sales rather than medical supply channels. While the concept of an emergency airway device is not new and similar tools exist in professional settings, safety experts generally emphasize proper choking response training and approved first aid techniques as the primary line of defense. As with any device making strong medical claims, careful research, verification of certifications, and consultation with qualified professionals can help determine whether it deserves a place in your emergency preparedness plan.